Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Omers account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Omers login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide a username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. And after that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And if you want to save your login credentials, you can click on this checkbox. And in case if you don't remember your password or your username, you can click on this link. You'll have to follow some security measures and you'll be able to recover your account successfully. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials and click on the sign in button and you'll be signed into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.